Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change audio speed in Audacity in 2026. Changing speed is useful when you want a recording to play faster or slower, and Audacity provides tools that can help you control the result. So let's get started. First, open Audacity and import the audio file you want to modify. You can use a voice recording, music file, podcast, or another supported audio track. Select the portion you want to change. If the entire recording needs to play at a different speed, select the complete track. Next, open the Effects menu and choose the appropriate option for changing speed or tempo. Pay attention to the difference between changing speed and changing tempo because they can affect pitch differently. If you want the audio to play faster or slower while keeping the voice pitch relatively consistent, a tempo-based adjustment may be more suitable. Choose a moderate change and preview the result. Increasing the speed too much can make speech difficult to understand, while slowing it down excessively can make the recording sound unnatural. For voiceovers, podcasts, or tutorials, make small adjustments and listen to complete sentences before deciding whether the new speed works. If you're working with music, pay attention to rhythm and timing. A small speed change can have a noticeable effect on the overall feel of a track. You can also use the selection tools to change the speed of only one part of a recording. This can be useful when correcting a section that is noticeably slower or faster than the rest. Always keep a copy of your original project before making major timing changes. That way, you can experiment without worrying about losing the original. After adjusting the speed, listen from beginning to end and make sure transitions still sound natural. And that's how to change audio speed in Audacity. Select the recording, choose the right speed or tempo tool, make a moderate adjustment, and preview the result carefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the